everyone, welcome back to the channel where we make science simple and exciting. Today we're diving into the organismal level of biological organization. Ever wondered how all the tiny parts of an organism to work together and make life possible? Well, you're in the right place, so let's start. First things first, let's break this down. In biology, life is organized into different levels, from the smallest building blocks like atoms and molecules all the way up to the biosphere, which includes all life on Earth. But the star of today's video is the organismal level. This is where everything comes together. At this level, an organism is made up of multiple organ systems that work in harmony to maintain life. An organism can be as small as a bacterium or as complex as a human being. Think of it this way. Your body is like a team and each organ system is a player with a specific role. Like your heart pumping blood and your lungs is receiving air. And even your brain thinking about this video right now. All of these systems interact to keep you alive. Now, let's take a look at a few examples of the organismal level in action. Single-celled organisms or unicellular. Some organisms like bacteria and protists are made up of one single cell. Even they're just tiny, this single cell can carry all of the functions necessary for life. Eating, reproducing, and responding to the environment. Pretty cool, right? Multicellular organisms. On the other hand, complex organisms like humans, plants, and animals are made up of billions or even trillions of cells. These cells are organized into tissues, which forms organs, and those organs make up systems. For example, in humans, the digestive system breaks down the food to give you energy, while the nervous system keeps you aware of your surroundings and coordinates actions. Plants too have some systems like their vascular system to transport water and nutrients. So why is the organismal level important? Well, organisms don't exist in isolation. Every organism plays a role to its ecosystem. Plants produce oxygen and food, animals help with pollination and seed dispersal, and even microscopes play essential roles in decomposition and nutrient cycling. This level of organization helps us understand how life is sustained and how interconnected everything is. When we look at organisms as whole systems, it's easier to study health, behavior, and evolution. Alright, let's take a recap. The organismal level is where everything comes together, whether we're talking about a single-celled organism or a complex human body. The organismal level shows us how different systems work in harmony to create life. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new today, hit that like button and let me know in the comments which organisms fascinate you the most. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.